Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use integrations and the Sleep as Android app. To use the integration options, go into Settings. Here you can look at Add-ons, and in here, as you can see, there are many different options. You can pick whichever one you like or want to use. For example, lullabies. You can tap on Install, which will prompt you to install the lullaby pack for sleep and my Android, which is unfortunately paid, which is why we are not going to do this. Sleep Phaser is another one. You can look at the forums for that. This will automatically redirect you. As you can see, it redirects you to buy the Sleep Phaser. There are many different options. A special sleep mask for stimulating sleep. Same with the captcha for when you have smart alarms with a captcha. So you can scan the barcodes somewhere in your home to make sure you woke up to stop the alarms. Breath rate monitoring tool. Other apps like Twilight to change your screens, just the way the light works on your screen to make it so you aren't interacting with as much blue light from your screen once the day goes near the end, to possibly increase melatonin production in your body. Same with Listen, Mindroid, which are just many different options. Just pick the ones you want to use, install them, and just you can do a lot of things here, as you can see. Another thing you can go to is services and just look at, for example, connecting to Google Fit or Google Calendar to upload your data to them. Same here with automation, which is a bit more advanced, which is why we are unfortunately not going to go over this, but it's just a thing you could do if you are interested in those things or want to or have to do this for some reason. You can also do Health Connect, Spotify, interactions with smart lights that you may have. With the Sleep Phaser, as previously mentioned, the sleep mask too, night lights too, flashlight wake up too, as a matter of fact, to make the screen bright to help you wake up in the morning by light being shining straight into your eyes the moment you open them. Same with detecting sunrise and stuff like that. Just looking through them to see what you would like to have turned on is a good idea. Possibly Google Home too. As you can see, there's also cloud backups, which have been mentioned in another video. You can sync all of your data to, if it doesn't sync automatically, you can tap on it here. And that's it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.